to work with whatever this is that's going to bombard us, because COVID's not going anywhere. Cold and flu season isn't going anywhere. We're always going to be bombarded. But if you guys really look into the research of what viruses do, they upgrade us. They upgrade us. Every fever is an upgrade. Everything that happens to our body and our body gets to fight it, it's an upgrade. Upgrade. A lot of people right now are saying, thank goodness I'm sick right now, because I'm going to have some immunities going into this cold and flu season or sugar season or holiday season. I'm going to have fought some of that stuff already. And you're getting it. So I freaking love it.
I'm dropping that in the chat. Viruses upgrade your immune system. Did you all hear that? I want you to hear that loud and clear, because we have been conditioned to be so afraid of illness, haven't we? Mm-hmm. And that, people will just go prophylactically, meaning like